Hello everyone, today we will talk about the properties of genetic material. Most of the organisms have DNA as their genetic material, but a few viruses such as bacteriophage and tobacco mosaic virus, they have RNA as their genetic material. Right, so let's talk about the properties of genetic material. The very first property is they can replicate, they can make copies of itself. Second point here is they are chemically as well as structurally stable. Chemically and structurally stable. Third point being here is there is a scope of mutation. There should be a scope of mutation, but the mutation should be very slow because it is required for the process of evolution. They are required for the process of evolution. The fourth point here is they should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characteristics. Right. So, in the beginning of this video we talked about that we have two types of genetic material, DNA as well as RNA. Let's talk about the difference between these two so that we can understand it in a better way. DNA, RNA. The difference between these two. So, the very first difference here is the DNA is highly stable, however RNA is unstable in its structure. Second point here is DNA is less reactive, however RNA is highly reactive. Why highly reactive? Because on the second group of the RNA they have an OH group attached that makes it very labile as well as easily degradable. Third point here is DNA has thymine, however RNA has uracil in place of thymine. Fourth point here is DNA shows slow rate of mutation, however RNA shows very high rate of mutation. Now, last point here is this point is based on the central dogma which says that DNA makes mRNA by the process of transcription and mRNA makes protein by the process of translation. So, here we can write that DNA can't make proteins directly, however RNA can make proteins directly, because proteins represents the expression of characters. I hope you understand this entire concept of properties of genetic material and the difference between DNA and RNA. If you have any questions, you can leave the comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.